I am Police Colonel Lambert Alban Suerte, the Force Commander of RMFB NCRPO. Marami ako natutunan, sa totoo lang. And it helped me a lot to become a more mature na individual and as a leader. Naging more careful, naging makatao tayo sa mga tropa natin at naging naiintindihan natin yung mga bagay na challenges bilang isang police officer, bilang isang servant leader. I was tamed. I do not see myself as an enlightened individual or masasabi mo na righteous individual because I know na I am still a work in progress, pero because of the teachings ng ating mga life coaches, I consider myself as blessed. Yung paa ko ay naging grounded ulit yung paa ko. Na masasabi ko na before that, medyo nakakalimot tayo sa totoo lang. But because of MBK, yung teachings ng mga masisipag na pastors natin, naibalik natin yung paa natin to be planted on the ground once again. And that is humility. I always look forward in going home. Parang lalo mong nami-miss yung family mo. Because lalo kang parang natatouch yung love sa puso mo, pagmamahal sa family. And that is what this MBK taught me. As a leader, kinakailangan updated ka palagi. Updated ka in terms of talent, skills, knowledges, but most especially doon sa spiritual aspect. Because if your foundation is very strong on spiritual aspect, you will never go wrong. Hindi ka mawawala. At that is an assurance na when you have a moral compass, you will never go wrong. Though I walk in the valley of the shadow of darkness, I shall fear no evil, for I know that you are with me. Psalm 23 verse 4. It gives me a lot of courage na once na inisip ko yon, na bakit ako matatakot? Ikaw ang nasa akin. Diba? Ang Diyos ang nasa akin. Bakit pa ako matatakot? I shall fear no evil. Sa ating mga life coaches, you are a blessing to us. And be a blessing to others also. You spread the words of God, you spread the good news na narinig din namin para yung vision ninyo to transform the PNP. It will be a hard fight, it will be a very tough journey, but I know ang Diyos ang nasa inyo, yung faith ninyo, pagka-prayerful ninyo, we will realize that vision in the end. For our fellow public servant, especially people in the PNP, we have to support our life coaches. We have to participate sa mga MBK swim natin. They are setting our values right. Dahil ito yung nakikita nila na the pinaka-importante na aspeto ng buhay natin. For the PNP members na mga kasama ko, kabaro ko, if we want change, we have to start from ourselves. Kung gusto natin na mabago ang the whole organization natin, PNP organization, we have to start from ourselves. And there, I am sure, in the end, we will change. Magbabago yung Pilipinas natin. Once again, I am Police Colonel Lambert Alban Suerte, the current Force Commander of RMFB NCRPO, and I am your brother's keeper.